How to make logo using Logo Maker on Picsart. Hello and welcome to 1-2 Step. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can make logo using Logo Maker on Picsart. For that, you'll have to open any browser on your device and at the search bar type the official website of the Picsart, picsart.com, and press enter. You will reach to this homepage or make sure you are logged into it. Now on this homepage, you will see a magnifying glass at the top right ahead of your profile picture. Click on it and you will be directed to this page. Here at the top, you will see various options there. Hover your cursor to the design option and there you will see the list of makers. Here select Logo Maker. Once you click on it, you will be again directed to this page. Here at the lower bottom at the left, you will see Create a Logo option. Click on it and again you will be taken to a new page. Here at the left side, you will see various templates for your logo. You can choose any template you like by scrolling down. Make sure you choose the one that is marked free. Once you get the template that you are interested in, go ahead and tap on it. After bringing the logo template on your canvas, now here further you can customize your logo. At the right side, you will see all the elements that are included in this template. Now you can change it by clicking on them and edit them. After you are satisfied with your logo, you can download it to your device. So in this way, you can make logo using Logo Maker on Picsart. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you next video. Stay connected.